Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the subscribe down below. So,
and ring the notification bell and press the bell.
He's guy filming. So, we have some baby birds back here. We're in our backyard. There's a nest. That's the cup to them. And do you see like that brown stuff back there, like with the fur? As you can see, yeah. Do you see them? They're right there. You see them, guys? So, those are the new baby birds. The mama bird flew away because we tried to give it, food, but actually, since the mama birds flew away, now the baby birds are probably cold. So, the mama bird is actually, she's probably getting food, but we put that cup there, and that cup has bird food in it. So we're feeding it, and she's my friend Anna. And she's
Baby brother Colt.
And she's that's the baby
Little brother
Colt.
Cash.
And this is the whole team. The guy that's filming, he's part of our team too.
His name is Cruz.
And my name is Quinn Martin, and her name is Anna Lutens. So actually, this is a whole team. Me too, with the lifeguard shirt. So sorry, that was my walkie-talkie, but that was one of my teammates. Okay, so we're gonna help take care of those birds. There might be a storm tomorrow, or I don't know if there's gonna be a tornado tomorrow, but we're trying to protect it. We're gonna put a big tarp over that big bush that has the nest in it. So yeah. And don't forget to press the subscribe down below and the notification bell.
Thank you for watching our big
And give us a big thumbs up.